How are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 7 Sound of You. Okay, let's start now. चलिए HUT hut, BUN bun, SUN sun. Next trend DUB dove, BUS bus, and next is CUP cup. ओके नाउ फोनिक ड्रिल है हमारे पास यूपी अप से है CUP कप, यूपी अप, PUP पप, DUP टप, SUP सप, एंड LUP लोप. ओके UG से है JUG जग, BUG बक, MUG मग, DUG duck, HUG hug, and RUG rub. Okay. Next UT से है HUT hut, NUT nut, CUT cut, BUT butt, JUT jut, GUT cut. Okay. Next है UBC TUB tube, CUB cube, RUB rub, PUB pub, HUB hub, and DUB dub. Okay. Next UN answer FUN fun, SUN sun, BUN bun, RUN run, GUN gun, NUN none. Okay. Next UM से है HUM hum, GUM gum, RUM rum, SUM sum, MUM mum, and NUM now. Okay. Next read with phonic sounds. Gus was Uma's new puppy. It was a great buddy. Okay. It played in the mud. Okay. It was a really great bird. It loved to chase bugs. She gave it lots of hugs. It looked bad in the It took bath in the tub. It loved getting a tummy rub. It drank water from a cup. What a nice little pup. Okay. Now kids, this chapter will be completed. And now we do the activity station. Okay. Match the U letter sound pictures with the letters U. Also write their name. One has been done for you. Okay. एग्जाम्पल है जैसे U से बना बस और U से बना नेक्स्ट है जैसे U फॉर बस एंड U फॉर पप. नेक्स्ट है और इसको हम जैसे लिखते हैं FOOT फुट. ओके तो फुट ये U वोवल U नहीं है. ओके नेक्स्ट है JUG जग. ओके उसी तरह ये है पॉट, POT पॉट. तो ये भी हमारे क्या है वोवल U नहीं है. नेक्स्ट है U से है सन. S-U-N. Next है tub. T-U-B. Tub. Next है duck. D-U-C-K. Okay. Now, kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.